For all government agencies and functions, the state requires a review. Review dates are set in the laws that give rise to agencies. The Colorado Office of Policy, Research and Regulatory Reform is charged with determining if an agency's statute and rules adequately protect the public without imposing undue burdens on the regulated community. Sunset reviews also examine an agency's efficiency, effectiveness and accountability. COPRRR will make recommendations in these and other areas to the General Assembly. Your information can help identify problems and solutions related to agencies under review, including the Colorado Real Estate Commission. Would you like to give feedback during the Sunset Review? Visit the Apex student community for more information and links so your input gets to the right people.